I'm going to be showing you how to change spark plugs in your Pontiac Vibe or even Toyota Matrix. Now this is going to be pretty simple, easy, and straightforward, so let's get to it. First thing we're going to do, take 10mm, take these little nuts off right here, one there, one here, take these little keepers out, alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and disconnect the harness from the coil packs. Then we're going to take a 10mm, and there's only one bolt on each coil pack. Go ahead and get those loosened off. Alright, now just gonna pull one coil pack out, and we will take a spark plug socket, loosen up spark plug on the inside, pull the plug out, put the new plug into the spark plug socket, lower it down carefully, and tighten it down by hand at first so you feel it kind of catch. And I gave it a little less than a quarter of a turn. There we go. Drop the coil pack back in. Go ahead and plug it in so I know I'm done with that one. Might have to twist some of these just a little bit, rotate them, get them pop loose, and we shall repeat this process. Now for some, you might get caught on part of the harness right here. So you can either A, take the bolt out, remove the harness out of your way, or sometimes you can work right around it by taking a screwdriver and just lightly pressing it back a little bit. we gotta do is bolt down our coil packs. You really don't want to tighten them up too tight. Just make sure they're good and snug. Once they're all snug, and those are all plugged in, it's time to put the cover back on. Same way we took it off. Pretty simple. Just going to snug those down. Just like that. Alright, there it is. Changing the plugs in your Pontiac Vibe or Toyota Matrix. Pretty simple, easy to do yourself. Save yourself some time and money instead of taking it to the shop, because that is an extremely easy spark plug change. In fact, you aren't even hardly going to get that dirty. So, hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, thanks for watching.